Hi everyone, welcome to Ravi M Tech Computers. If you are watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, in this session I would like to explain about how to install CRCPP software in your computer or laptop. Before going to install any software, you need to know which operating system version you are using and whether it is 32-bit OS or 64-bit OS. These two things are most important while installing any software, not only CCPP software, any software you need to know these two basic things. Okay, now I will explain how to install CRCPP software step by step. So in the step 1, make sure that your computer is having internet connection and whether it is enabled or not. Okay, make sure that your computer or laptop is having internet connection. If it is not enabled, please enable it. And already I told you, before going to download any software, you need to know which operating system version you are using and whether it is 32-bit OS or 64-bit OS. Okay, you need to know these two things. So such as operating system version, for example, whether it is Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 10, like that. Okay, and whether it is 32-bit OS or 64-bit OS. For how to know these two basic things, on the desktop you will be able to find a computer icon. So to that computer icon, you just give the right mouse click and then check the properties. There you will find the information. So in the step 3, open any web browser to open the web pages from the internet. So example, Google Chrome. Now open the Google home page by typing https://www.google.co.in. So to open the Google home page. Why? Because we want to install the software which is suitable to your computer or your laptop. If I tell any specific software, that may work for your computer or that may not work. Okay. So now after opening the Google home page, in the Google search box, you need to type download Turbo C++ software for, in my computer I am using Windows 7 and 32-bit OS. Okay. Okay, in the Google search box, type the download Turbo CPP software for Windows 7 32-bit. Windows 7 32-bit is my computer configuration. Okay, so now after that it will display the list of links. From the links you have to select the proper software. Okay, and click it from the available links. So I will guide you practically, don't worry. So download the software which is suitable to your computer and install it by following the instructions. Okay, all these steps I will explain practically, don't skip the video. So as you may get the confusion, that's why I am telling the step by step. You need not worry, I will explain all these steps practically. Finally the software will be installed in your computer. Okay, now we will see practically steps one by one. So first step, you know that your computer should have the internet connection. So second step, you need to check your computer configuration. How to check it? Already I told you, just right mouse click to the computer icon which is displayed on the desktop. Okay, click on the properties. Now it will open the box. From that window you can able to find what operating system version you are using and which bit it is, whether it is 32-bit OS or 64-bit OS. Okay, for your convenience I am marking the portion. You can easily find it, you need not worry. So on the top you are able to find operating system name. In my computer I am using Windows 7 operating system and it is 32-bit OS I am using. Okay, in your computer you have to check your computer configuration. Okay, the software which I am downloading for my computer, it may work for you, for your laptop or for your computer, it may not work. That's why my suggestion is follow your computer configuration while installing. Okay, in the Google search box you need to type your operating system version and whether it is the 64-bit or 32-bit you need to type. So in my system it is Windows 7 32-bit. Okay, that's why I typed in the search box, Google search box, download Turbo C++ software for Windows 7 32-bit. Okay, so that I am able to find the software which is suitable to my computer. Sometimes these turbo softwares will ask you to install Microsoft .NET framework. If it is asking to do so, please install that software also. But I think this link, the link what I am telling to you, is not asking to install Microsoft framework. Okay, so in the Google search box, type download turbo CPP software for Windows 7 32-bit. Okay, it is my computer configuration. If your computer is having Windows 10 64-bit, you have to type Windows 10 64-bit only. Okay, from the list of links, I am finding, as I already tried with the FileHorse link, that is working for my computer. Okay, so go to the FileHorse link, and it is displaying turbo CPP. Just if you click the FileHorse link, it is opening turbo CPP software link. Just click on the download. Okay, start download. Then automatically that software will be downloaded to your default downloads folder in your computer. Okay, after downloading, please open that software, go to the downloads folder, or if you see on the bottom left, it is displaying the file is downloaded, the software is downloaded. Just right mouse click and click on open folder location. So it is opening in the downloads folder. I am copying it to desktop. Why? Because I am explaining to you. So now if I click on that icon, so it is opening the installation window. From that window, you have to click on next and finish something like that. It is not at all hard to install the software. So click on the install now. So from the Windows, you need to follow the instructions. You need not do anything. If it is asking for any confirmation, you need to click on the checkbox. A tick mark will be displayed, and click on the next button till you get the finish option. Okay. So based on your net speed, it is going to do, the action, how much time it will take is depending on your net speed also. You need not worry. But while installing the software, don't open any other applications like songs or movies. Okay, until it is installed in your computer, please be patient. Please be patient. Okay, so now click on next button. Nothing hard here. So once if you install the software, then it is asking you to open it instantly. So if you click on start, immediately it will open the turbo CPP editor. Okay, it is a free default program. It came along with the operating system. So rainbow.c. Don't worry about how to type C program, how to compile and how to run. In the next videos, I will cover all those topics, how to work with the environment, turbo CPP IDE. About IDE, I will explain clearly. You need not worry. Okay, just as a sample program, I have shown the output to you. You need not worry. All these steps I will explain in the next video. So how to type the C programs? By default, as it is CPP software, it is displaying the file name as .cpp. So if you want to type the C program, generally you have to go to options menu by pressing Alt O. Okay, Alt O. On that select the editor option. On that you have to select wherever CPP is there, just type C, and again click on Alt O and click on save option, so that settings will be changed to C by default. Okay, so whenever you want to type C programs, you can go to file menu, click on new option, and based on that you can type the new programs. Okay, so these are the basic steps you need to follow.